Hello, my dear friends. So, if you see for Infosys, what I have done, I have taken from the Jan 1st until 3rd July, which was the last Friday. So, definitely, it's not a recommendation. What I'm giving you an information through Google Sheet, how we can fetch the data and show you some numbers, right? The problem statement what I have come up here is, from Jan 1st until last Friday, 3rd July, right? All IT index is falling, bleeding really badly. So, what I'm interested, I'll pick the top 10 stocks, and then in that 10 stocks, which stock fell down heavily in terms of percentage. So that exercise I'm going to do, I'll be using some Gemini, or you can use any Gen AI. So probably this will be like kind of a more of educational video than about the stock market, right? So let me get into okay, this is something I'll tell you, right? Exchange, I'm picking NSE. The code, for example, I have taken the infi as Infosys. This is the input code, what I can say input code to Google Finance Formula. Okay, I'm considering the first Jan and then 3rd July because market was open on that day, so we can fetch the last closing price on 3rd July. If you see what I have done, I've taken the NSE colon infi as input and then price, okay, which fetches the the closing price, and then E4 is the first Jan, and then like index 2 comma 2 is something gets the value, okay, so which is 1629.8. That was the price on Jan 1st, and as on July 3rd, this is the price, right? So if you see, the difference is around 582 rupees. Infosys fell down, and which is 35% down. Even if you see the infi, right? So on NSE, if you see this YTD, like, which is what I'm aiming to achieve, right? It's like 35.75% down, the same thing, right? So straight away I can duplicate this, the formula, and then in only in infi I can put TCS, so which calculates everything, gets the price as on 1st Jan, and then gets price as on July 3rd, difference, and then percentage, right? So what I'm interested, I want to fetch for top 10 in terms of market cap. So simply what I'm doing here, right, I just ask here, okay, get me the NSE code list for Indian IT companies based on their market cap, right? Get me the NSE, okay, get me the NSE code list for, okay, top 10, I can say. Get a top 10 companies I'll get. So fine, this is a list. What you can do, simply just copy this information, okay, and then get here and then paste it somewhere, okay. Oops, I'm not getting the way I should get it. Okay, got it. So this is a thing, right? I have to copy and paste here, right? Let me increase, insert, okay, insert rows. Okay, what I need is the top 10, right? So paste it here, right? Which is TCS inf is already part, so we can delete that later. So okay, so now you will get everything, right? So LTIM, why LTIM is there? Why not? What's the issue with the LTIM? LTM, okay, the script changed to LTM. Yes, nice. Okay, now we'll get, okay, this is also not the issue. What is the issue? Why NSC LTM? LTIM entry. It's interesting. I don't know why I'm not getting LTM. LTM. Okay. Okay, which is pretty interesting. Why I'm not getting this LTM? Okay. LT LTI. Now this is, I think, LTM. This is strange. I don't know why I'm not getting. Let's see if it's an NSC code. It's LTM only. I should get it. I should get it. Okay. Okay. Strange. We'll check this issue later. Right? Ideally, I should get it. Anyway. So, duplicate TCS. Let me remove these two. Delete it. Okay. Delete the rows and LTI also. Let's delete. I'll check this. Okay. Why this issue later. Okay. Now, unfortunately, we got only 9 out of 10. So what I'll do, I'll just simply put the filter and get the lowest. Okay. So OFSS is the one. Oh, it's up. It's already up. Okay. So okay, sorry. Yeah, 35. Infosys is a stock. Almost Infosys and TCS both fell down 35%, followed by Wipro, HCL, Persistent, Emphasis. Okay, this OFSS has done good. Wow, nice. So let's see OFSS. If you see YTD, wow, this has done 46% up. 46% up. Crazy, which is good. Though in IT, it is doing good. So I hope like you like this analysis. I would request you to focus on more learning rather than directly jumping into stock trading. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.